In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice using MiniMax AI in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to use your voice for videos, narrations, podcasts, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to the website minimax.io/audio. Once the page loads, look at the left-hand menu and click on the option called Voice Clone. This is where you'll start creating your AI voice. Follow along carefully so you don't miss anything. Next, you'll need to upload a recording of your voice or record directly inside the tool. If you choose to upload a file, make sure your audio is clear and free from background noise or echo. A clean recording helps the AI generate a much more realistic voice. Clone. After uploading or recording your voice, choose the language you want the clone to use. You can also enable options like noise removal and accent optimization if you want the final result to sound even closer to your real voice. Once you've set everything up, agree to the terms of service and click on the Generate button. The system will process your audio, and within a few seconds, MiniMax AI will create a sample of your cloned voice. Listen to the preview carefully. If you're happy with how it sounds, click Confirm, give your cloned voice a name, and then save it. And that's all there is to it. Your cloned voice is now ready to use for videos, podcasts, narrations, or any other project where you want to use your own voice without recording every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.